Good day, everyone. So, this study examines academic performance differences in creative writing and mathematics. Analyzing data from 50 student group by gender includes female, male, and non-binary groups. So, we use measures of central tendency, which includes mean, median, and mode to interpret results accurately. So, our aim is to identify performance patterns, highlight gender specific trends, and provide insights for more inclusive and responsive learning strategies.
Overall mean grades comparison. Creative writing overall mean is 1.78 and mathematics overall mean is 1.73. The data reveals slightly better average performance in mathematics compared to creative writing across all 50 respondents. This marginal difference of 0.05 grade points indicates comparable overall achievement in both subjects. The lower overall mean in mathematics suggested a stronger clustering of scores around the average, indicating more consistent performance among students. In contrast, creative writing shows a wider spread of grades reflecting greater variability in students' outcomes. These patterns highlights different performance distribution between the two academic domains. Overall academic performance overview. First is creative writing performance. The mean is 2.06, median is 2.00, mood is 1.50. Now, the mathematics performance is the mean is 1.83, median is 1.75, and mode is 1.75. Note, lower grades indicates better performance. Key insights. Mathematics performance is generally stronger and more consistent than creative writing, which shows greater variability across the 50 respondents.
Gender disaggregated performance. Creative writing means mean grade by gender. Female has 1.38, which means the strongest performance. Non-binary has 1.91 and the male has 2.79, which means the weakest performance. The lower grade indicate better performance in this grading system. The insight will be the female student demonstrate exceptional performance in creative writing, significantly outperforming their peers. Male students show the weakest performance in this subject area, with a notable gap of one student show the weakest performance in this subject area, with a notable gap of 1.41 grade points compared to female students. Non-binary students fall in the middle range.
So, to summarize our key findings, first, mathematics performance is stronger and more consistent across all students, while creative writing shows more variation in results. Next, we see clear gender patterns female students perform best in creative writing, male students shows weaker performance in subject, and non-binary students have balanced, consistent result in both areas. Finally, these differences shows that we need responsive and inclusive teaching strategies approach that addresses differences learning without relying on stereotypes about what student can do.